If you'd like to watch a super easy DIY for how I created the inserts, which I've made an entire sticker book with, then please stay watching. The inserts can be used not only just for stickers, you could also use them for die cuts and cards, or I have even used them here for 4x6 simply gilded cards. I've made an entire sticker book of these inserts to hold all of my Planner Society stickers, but you can also, obviously, if we find a center one, you can also just make one or even several of these just to insert into your current traveller's notebook. This one's an A6 size traveller's notebook, and that's a 4x6 inch page size, which makes it easy. I've actually cut these a little bit shorter than 6 inches. I've cut these 5 3/4 inches high, but it holds everything. The biggest sticker sheet is this one, which is 4 inches by about 5.5 inches. So I have all of my stickers in here. The reason I've done this, I've put them in photo-safe paper, so I'm hoping that the ink won't transfer onto the plastic, as I've found with some sticker books which I've used. Some of the ink, you can see, maybe you can see there, some of the ink from the stickers actually just transferred onto the book itself and is obviously no longer on the sticker. So I wanted to use a photo-safe paper, hoping that that would protect the ink. I also wanted to put all the stickers into one place so that I could actually use the stickers. Until now I've had the stickers in a variety of sticker books, including these ones, and I've also had them slotted into various pockets in a multitude of planners, and I find I just have them filed and don't really use them at all. So the intention of putting them all in here is that now perhaps I'll be able to quickly flick through and find what I'm after and be able to use things that colour coordinate. So I have enough pages in the back here to be able to put the stickers through to the end of this year. So then all of my Planner Society stickers to the end of this year will be in here, and slowly, hopefully, I'll be able to actually use them rather than just hoarding them. Also, you might wonder why the white is in it. So I've left the white in it because the stickers are all sorts of different sizes, and it would really irritate me if I could see through the page at the stickers that were behind. But I'm too lazy to use the fuse tool and make all these pockets and then put a white bit of paper in them. So I took the quick way of buying a 4x6 inch photo album from Kmart, and it has pages like this. So what I did is just rip the pages out. So we'll take one page out and just cut that to the size I wanted. So the width is perfect and it's all sealed. It's sealed on these 3 edges and it's sealed in the center for the elastic. So all I needed to do was cut it to the height I wanted and then put little notches in it. Hopefully you can see those. Put little notches in it for the elastics to sit in. This is my Fiskars Precision Rotary Cutter, and I'm just going to cut the page to the height that I cut all the others for that A6 Traveller's Notebook, which was approximately 5 3/4 inches. So we just slice this bit off and we're left with this bit. Then what I do is I just use a Fiskars handheld punch that makes a small circle just to put the little notches in the centre in. So to find that, we just need to fold it in half like so, and you can see there's the centre where it has these sealed pieces. And then punch through there and punch through there to make these notches. Then you get your A6 Traveller's Notebook, whether it's a sticker book or just the notebook that you're using, and pop it in there. And that is about the world's easiest way of doing it. This traveller's notebook has 4 elastics, and I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 7 pages either side of this elastic. So there's 7 wrapped around each elastic, and then they all just sit nicely inside this abandoned traveller's notebook, which is quite chunky actually. As I mentioned at the very beginning of the video, you could put cards, you can put die cuts, anything that will fit, it'll work. You can even put things that don't fit. So I've created an insert here for my 4x6 simply gilded cards. You might be able to see right at the top here is the top of the pocket, so some of the card pokes out the top. We'll look at it from the side. You can see where the blue elastic goes, that's the top of the insert, and then we've got some of the cards poking up the top there. That really wouldn't bother me in an A6 planner. By the time I've got tabs and paper clips and other things poking up the top, that little bit wouldn't matter at all. And what I would like is you can see here it sticks out about the same amount as the inserts. What I really would like is the convenience of being able to store all my cards somewhere where I could admire and appreciate them. So I have 3 of the pages under the elastic here. So that's enough to store 12 cards. I wouldn't put any more than that, or it'll start to get a bit stiff as your gap here will get bigger and bigger, and that's just not going to work. If you'd like to keep watching for a flip through of the Planner Society stickers that I have, then I'll do that now. So this is my earliest sticker sheet. This is, I believe, October 2015, and most of these earlier stickers I have purchased off buy, sell and trade groups. This is into 2016 now. These sticker sheets here I received from the Planner Society in a grab bag. She had a Lucky Dip grab bag back in, I think it was early 2017, and you could buy a kit, and it wasn't a set kit, it was just some papers and other bits and bobs, and everything was off different kits. So I think there was something like 9 papers, and each paper could be from a completely different kit also. So these stickers were in that kit. And these are the first stickers I purchased from the Planner Society directly. They were part of the exclusive planner kit where the pre-sale was late in 2016. And I also purchased this black floral traveller's notebook. It's a bit zoomed in to be able to see that completely, but that was bought at the same time as the kit which matched it. And then this is when my subscription for the monthly planner kit started in March 2017. So you can see I've got puffy stickers in here also. They're May 2017 along with these ones. These ones are August 2017 with the Fairy Girl, and you could also buy these pocket traveller's notebooks, and I managed to pick up this one on a buy, sell and trade with the Fairy Girl on the front. I think planners that attended a Planner Society crop were given this one from memory. this one I believe is January 2018, so we're into 2018 now. And then this is now when Christy started introducing more foil into the stickers, well, and into the kits. This is the last sticker kit I actually have in here, so that's September 2018. I have October 2018 in the Traveller's Notebook I'm using at the moment, and I intend to actually try and use the stickers, which is the whole purpose of this book, it's to try and use everything. But I also have put enough pages in here for stickers until the end of December 2018. So all of my Planner Society stickers will be all in the one place here, and hopefully I will actually use them instead of just hoarding them. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.